Third straight day for Robert Vadra to be questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. Vadra crying conspiracy over the ED grilling. Remember, very interesting. Since day one, Robert Vadra hasn't wasted any opportunity to speak to the media persons deployed there. He's ensuring that his version goes out every day. Day one, Vadra was questioned for about 6.5 hours. Yesterday, day two, he was grilled for about 5 hours. This, remember, is with regard to a 2008 Haryana land deal case and if there have been violations in the manner in which property was procured. Let's listen in to what Robert Vadra, son-in-law of Sonia Gandhi, husband of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has to say on the day 3.
राजनीतिक प्रचार है बीजेपी का कि चार्जशीट दिया सोनिया जी राहुल को, मुझे बुलाया उसी दिन, तो ये दिखा रहे हैं मीडिया के द्वारा कि हम लोग कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं। ये कोई जनता जागरूक है, सब जानते हैं, सब समझते हैं। इन चीज़ों से कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है, इन चीज़ों से और हम मजबूत बनते हैं और कुछ नहीं है। कोई इसका कुछ नतीजा नहीं निकलेगा क्योंकि है ही नहीं कुछ। अगर ये फेक कुछ करना चाहेंगे, जो गलत करना चाहेंगे, दिखाना चाहेंगे, उससे मैं मतलब कि उसको मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाऊंगा, पर असलियत कुछ भी नहीं है।
Amit Bhardwaj joins me for the latest on that. Amit, this has been an old case, but interesting how Robert Vadra is now ensuring that he charges at the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's not speaking as much about the case or what perhaps his defense about the case is, but he's saying this is our BJP's political vendetta.
Right, Pooja, you know, that's what his legal advisors must have told him as well, to speak less about the legal case or the land deal case of 2008 and speak more about the politics and optics of it. And that is why from day one, when he was called for the questioning by the Enforcement Directorate at the ED headquarters, he chose to walk from here where I'm standing right now, Sujan Singh Park, to the ED headquarters, which is nearly 2 kilometers away. That was a political optics, and Robert Vadra was marching with his set of supporters to the ED office. And that day as well, you know, when we had asked him direct question, he said that this is misuse of the agencies and this is political conspiracy, political vendetta against him. And he had tried to equate himself with Rahul Gandhi, saying that you know, Rahul Gandhi is being stopped in the parliament, I'm being stopped on the ground. And that's been a constant you know, narrative by Robert Vadra as well. Day 2, a similar stance was made. Day 3, when he's supposed to appear before the Enforcement Directorate, is again reiterating that stance. So clearly, he understands that the legal battle needs to be fought in the court, but in terms of optics, it has to be, you know, a direct attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party and accuse BJP that it's a political vendetta.
And
so
very
that
interesting,
as
like we're all noticing, Amit, isn't it, that while Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, even Priyanka don't have much to say in another case with the ED, with the National Herald that's been going on, or even with this case, Robert Vadra is ensuring that his view, his perspective consistently for 3 days would go out. And how? We'll be tracking more on that.